poppin'? I'm Lyd, and this is Designs by Lyd.
I'm your entrepreneur.
And this is where it all began.
Designs by Lyd started as a handmade clay earring business. Each and every design is handmade with the customer in mind. Made with bakeable polymer clay, even some color combinations that are unique and only can be bought at Designs by Lyd. Hot pink lightning bolts, the very first design ever made at Designs by Lyd. I made these earrings because I couldn't find them anywhere. I had the perfect vision of a hot pink lightning bolt that I needed for my photo shoot. I made the earrings and then posted pictures, and from then on, the rest is history. Everyone wanted a pair of hot pink lightning bolts. Now, any design you can think of, I can make, and I can make any design customizable to any customer. It's crazy for me to think that my business started in my college dorm room and it has expanded to where I can reach over 1,000 people daily. Although my jewelry is specifically designed for women, oftentimes men buy them and gift them to the special women in their lives. I'm proud to say that I've made over 1,000 pairs of custom earrings and sent to over 25 states. Designs by Lyd has gone commercial. You can find me here at Southern Soleil in Greenville, North Carolina, and at Corolla Light Resort in the Outer Banks. This is just the beginning of the expansion of Designs by Lyd, now being available commercial, and the beginnings of offering wholesale purchases. Being located in retail shops is just the beginning of my dreams to expand Designs by Lyd. One of the ways I have already grown my business is that I have ambassadors. My ambassadors are called Bolt Babes, and my Bolt Babes are located at approximately 12 universities all around the states. My Bolt Babes are young, driven, and motivated women like myself. The Bolt Babe Ambassador Program is always expanding to other colleges and universities across the U.S. If you or someone else is interested in becoming the next Bolt Babe at your school, please DM me at designs.by.lyd on Instagram. Designs by Lyd is always expanding. The latest products being added to Designs by Lyd are trendy, new, and affordable. Designs by Lyd prides itself in always being up to date with the latest trends. Always being prepared to best reach the consumer market. And of course, always being ready for Pirate Game Day. ARG! Since Designs by Lyd is so well known for the unique color combinations, I have recently started the process of launching my own clay line called Known. Since the demand is there for the unique color combinations only sold at Designs by Lyd, I have decided for a new way to make revenue for my business is to sell the color combinations that I hand mix to other artists that are working to make other women feel beautiful by the products they are creating. Designs by Lyd is just always growing and always looking for the new way to seek out an opportunity to reach the consumer market. I now carry hair clips as well as handmade keychains. Designs by Lyd is not only a business but a brand where I hand create tons of different products available for the consumer market. This jean jacket is one of the newest products available at Designs by Lyd. Clothing, the demand is there, and now I am taking action. It's Worth It is a Christian clothing brand branching off of Designs by Lyd. The products have been ordered and the designs have been made. It's Worth It is now going to be available via Designs by Lyd. T-shirts and sweatshirts are going to be made just in time for the holiday gift purchasing. Designs by Lyd is a business and a brand that is not going to flatline. Designs by Lyd's mission is to stay on top of the latest trends and make affordable products that meet the need of the consumer market, while making a product that helps everyone feel confident. For more information and to watch the growth of Designs by Lyd, the brand, follow Designs.by.Lyd on Instagram. XOXO, Lyd.